How can investors save themselves from an investment trap? Financial expert Mr. Ramalingam will enlighten you now.
The first filter is the investment instrument well regulated? That is the first thing. If it is not regulated, then definitely we have to completely avoid that investment. Then number two, if it is partially regulated, be extra careful. Real estate, right? If you are investing in a mutual fund or if you are investing in stocks, when the units comes into account statement or when shares get credited into your into your demat statement, then no one is going to be the owner. You are going to be the owner. But after buying a real estate property, somebody else can come and tell you, no, I'm the owner. This is the document. So which is original document, which is a bogus document, we don't know. Though real estate investment is regulated, that seems to be a challenge. And again, when there is this kind of conflict, there is no proper redressal mechanism for less regulated or non-regulated schemes. You have to go only to the court. When you go to court, it takes like 10 years, 15 years. Like only like our grandson will be able to see the judgment. That is the kind of like the number of years it takes to get the judgment, right? This is the problem with the less regulated and unregulated investments. Real estate, there is no transparency in the price. What is going to be the price for this particular plot? Maybe the next plot may be selling at a different rate, and my plot may be selling at a different rate. What is the logic? There is no logic. There is no proper discovery mechanism here. And when I want to sell, it is not easy to liquidate. I have to go and buy a buyer. It will become a challenge. They'll say it is 5,000 rupees per square feet. When you want to actually sell, they'll say because of this reason, it's a corner property, because of vastu problem, all other problem, we will not buy for 5,000, maybe for 4,000 rupees per square feet, 4,500. They will negotiate. There is no price discovery. And also there is this black money and white money investments in real estate that makes real estate less attractive. That is why I always suggest you to go for well-regulated investments. If it is not a well-regulated investments, avoid. The second filter is it time-tested with a proven track record, and the third test is it simple and transparent. This is the three tests.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.